Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Everything you should know about our planets you will find in this video. Let's start. Do you know our solar system is around 4.6 billion years old and it consists 8 major planets, 5 dwarf planets, sun and objects orbiting sun. The first planet that is closest to the sun is Mercury. It is the smallest planet, slightly larger than Earth's moon. It has no ring or no moon. A day on any planet is the time it takes to spin once with respect to the stars. So your 59 days on Earth is just one day on Mercury. Mercury makes a complete orbit around the sun in just 88 Earth days. Means a year on Mercury is of 88 days. Venus is the second closest planet to the sun. Venus is similar in structure and size to Earth. Earth is just a little bit bigger. It has no moons and no rings. Its surface is hot enough to melt lead. One day on Venus lasts 243 Earth days because Venus spins backward, with its sun rising in west and setting in east. Venus is named after the goddess of love and beauty. The third planet from the sun is our home, the Earth. Earth is 4.5 billion years old and is the fifth largest planet in our solar system. The distance from the sun is 150 million kilometers, means 15 crore kilometers. If the sun were as tall as a typical front door, Earth would be the size of a nickel. Earth is the only planet to have one moon. Do you know a year on Earth isn't 365 days? It's actually 365.2564 days. The extra 0.2564 days creates the need for a leap year once every 4 years. Earth's surface is 71% water and 29% land. Sadly, Earth is getting warmer due to increase in greenhouse gases, and this is high time for everyone to take major steps to save our home. Mars, the red planet. Red because of rusty iron in the ground. The size of Mars is half the size of Earth. Mars makes a complete orbit around the Sun in 687 Earth days, almost twice the Earth. Mars is a rocky planet with a thin atmosphere made mostly of carbon dioxide. Mars have 2 moons. It's interesting to know that you could jump around 3 times higher on Mars than you can on Earth. No planet beyond Earth has been studied as intensely as Mars. Fifth planet from the Sun is Jupiter, the king of planets, as it is the largest one. Did you know that 2 Earths could fit snugly inside Jupiter's iconic Great Red Spot? 11 Earths could fit across Jupiter's equator. So if Jupiter is of the size of a basketball, Earth is just a grape. On Jupiter, one day is of 10 hours and 1 year is of 12 Earth years. Jupiter has more than 75 moons. One of the moons' name is Europa. Many scientists believe it is the best location in our solar system to find existing life. The yellow color on the surface of Europa is actually table salt. Jupiter also has rings, but they are very hard to see. Sixth planet from the Sun is Saturn, the lord of the rings. Saturn is around 10 times the diameter of Earth and it takes about 29 Earth years to orbit the Sun. Saturn is a gas giant and it might have a solid core somewhere in there. It has 53 known moons with an additional 29 moons awaiting confirmation of their discovery. Titan is Saturn's largest moon and each year it drifts a little further away. These are some icy moons on Saturn. It is not only planet to have rings, but it definitely has the most beautiful ones. Uranus, the first planet to be discovered by a telescope. It is 4 times wider than Earth. If Uranus is a basketball, then Earth is an apple. On Uranus, one day is of 17 hours and 1 year is of 84 Earth years. Uranus is an ice giant. Most of its mass is a hot, dense fluid of icy materials. Uranus has 27 known moons. It is interesting to know that Uranus has 13 known rings. Inner rings are narrow and dark and outer rings are brightly colored. Like Venus, Uranus rotates east to west, but it is unique in that it rotates on its side. Did you know that Uranus was discovered before Antarctica in 1781 by William Herschel? Last planet in our solar system is Neptune. It is an ice giant, dark, cold and very windy. It takes about 16 hours to rotate once and about 165 Earth years to orbit the Sun. Neptune has 14 known moons. It is encircled by 6 rings, but they are very hard to see. The methane gives Neptune the same blue color as Uranus. So these were some amazing facts about our beloved planets. Hope you have enjoyed the video. We will meet soon with some amazing stuff. Stay safe and like and subscribe our channel.